your chef here again. Ah, yes, here we are. Dun 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 da 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 dun 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 da 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 da. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel All About Life. These are the hard quarantine times and I got bored of cooking same food over and over, and I decided to cook something different. And I went to the market, bought a beef tongue, beef tongue, beef, yeah, exactly. So I will cook this my way. I will boil it with some herbs and onion, and then I made it before, it will be good. Let's get started. This is 1 kilo and 600 grams of beef tongue, and it's almost 13 euros, as you see. So let's open and get it ready for the cooking. I think this will be a good portion. Oh my god, what a yummy. Look at this texture. Look at that. This is the... You can hear it? Oh my god, this is really a tongue. This is a tongue. Amazing, let's get it washed. You can see the texture. It's really rough, and how can I say, it's really strong. It hurts my finger when I'm doing like this. Very strong tongue. Here is going down the tongue. I need some onions. Okay, I had some onions left over previously, so I will just use them without chopping fully into the cooking pot. Actually, this is a pressurized cooking pot. It will cook with less time, less smell, more intense. After the onions, let's put some oregano. This oregano actually hand picked from the mountains and dried under the sun, and like a lot of effort on it, and it smells really, like, what can I say, it smells super. So let me put this oregano here like this, and like dust, yes, and let me put some chili pepper. You know, actually I'm putting these ingredients to use the broth later, to make a soup or some rice maybe I will use. Also, I grow basils at home, yes. Inside my flat I grow basils, and I grow them with a grow light, which I bought from AliExpress. And you know, it's one of the products that's working good that I buy from AliExpress. Actually, I have a video for it, grow light, unboxing from AliExpress. I also have some videos like failed products that are some funny or useless. If you're interested, I will put the links below and you can go and watch later. And this is cumin. I cannot think any meat without the cumin, so let's use the big mouth to put a lot of cumin. Don't be greedy putting your spices it makes a lot of difference. Like a few grams extra makes tons of difference in the taste, so just use them. Let's put some black pepper. Can we say that's it? Maybe let's put some water now. The more the water, the more things we can do later. So there's a maximum sign here, if you can see. I can feel it up until there. Now we will wait until it boils. We will take the nasty bubbly foams which are coming at first when it starts boiling, and then we will close it and wait until it gets cooked. Okay, as you see, some bubbles starting to come, like some foamy structures. Let's take these foams. Cook it around 40 minutes, and then we will eat it. Yes, we will eat it. Okay, it's time to open. Let's open and see how it looks like. Wow. Wow. This smell is killer. Killer smell. I want to jump in it. Oh my god. That's very good. Okay, now we will take out this one, cool it a little bit, and then I'll show you how to make it ready to eat. Okay, I grab this thing and I will take the tongue into this pot. Let's do it. Oh, this is a tongue. This is a tongue. This is a tongue, really. Okay, let it cool down a few minutes and then we will peel it and make it ready for the serving. Let's check now how it's going to be. Yeah, this is our tongue. And now you see that the tongue, the rough skin part, will be easily peeled. Like this. Like this. Oh my god. So satisfying to peel the tongue. Time to check how good it is. But don't believe me, we will ask the expert who is the expert on these things. And Pablo, come. Come. Pablo is not coming. Pablo, come. And if you are watching up to that point, please don't forget to subscribe, because there will be more weird kind of food cooking videos soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.